Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an account on Salesforce. First, determine which Salesforce edition best suits your business requirements, whether it's Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or another. Next, visit the official Salesforce website. You'll then need to decide if you want to start with a free trial to explore features or proceed directly with a paid subscription plan. This initial choice is crucial for your setup. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. It's important to provide accurate personal and company information, including your name, email, and phone number. Carefully select your industry and the approximate size of your company, as this helps tailor your experience. Finally, create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account's security. After submitting your registration, you will receive an email to verify your account. Click the link in this email to activate your Salesforce access. Once activated, return to the Salesforce login page and enter your newly created username and password. Upon your first login, you might encounter an initial setup wizard. Take your time to explore this to personalize your environment and get started efficiently. With your account active, you can now begin customizing your Salesforce experience. Personalize your dashboard and user interface to display the most relevant information for your role. Consider integrating essential business applications and tools to streamline your workflows and enhance productivity. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to bring your space to life. This helps you maximize Salesforce's potential and create a truly efficient workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.